Hello dear friends, we are here in an exciting new course and new series of videos in my YouTube channel ITINFOSEC. Well, with this new video we will start a new category or new series of videos which is cybersecurity videos, and its first video is this one, Certified Ethical Hacker or CEH. Let's look at what we will learn together. First of all, we will discuss about and learn together about Linux operating. The Linux operating syllabus is not consisting CEH official syllabus and official course. There is some companies that provide security courses, for example, eccouncil that provides CEH, for example, offensive security, for example, e-learn security, and top of them is SANS. This course CEH is one of the main courses and one of the main first steps for learning cybersecurity and hacking courses that it's under the eccouncil company. But why I recommend and I will start from the Linux operating system. Linux it is used for many hacking tools, for many security tools, and so on. So this is really important OS that we should learn and dominate on that. But I don't want to teach complete Linux OS in this. Maybe you need about that. From 0 to a medium level of Linux operating is enough in this step. Maybe inside the course or inside the another course, I will describe more and I will teach or discuss more about the Linux. But in the first step, I cannot press your mind with more and more Linux commands. Just commands, just items. Maybe you need in the first steps. But if you don't familiar about that, don't worry at all. We will start from the basics and concepts, and you will see that is very exciting and enjoyable. Well, after the Linux operating commands and lectures, we will start practical hacking, practical ethical hacking based on the CEH course material. Keep in mind, all of information security or cybersecurity courses that I teach, all of them will be practical. I will teach and we will learn together first based on the theoretical material such as slides, such as motions, etc. And then in each course, in each lesson that finish the theoretical items and concepts, after that we will do it and run it in virtual laboratory, and we will do it practically to understand completely that. But what about the CEH materials? It contains so many categories. The first of that is footprinting and reconnaissance. What means footprinting and reconnaissance? It means gathering any information you may need about the target system. Imagine you have the agreement, the legal agreement with target with a company about its target for identifying and disclosure its vulnerabilities and so on. The first step is gathering any information about that website. For example, any items about that web server, any item about that person's email address, website, statistics, and so on. The second step is scanning the network. What means scanning? For example, your target system is the Microsoft server. For example, Microsoft Server 2019. Scanning is identifying its operating system, its operating system version and detailed version about that. It's identifying the open ports and closed ports, identifying the vulnerabilities of OS or any other applications that runs on that, and so on. Is identifying active IP addresses in the network, identifying the basic or infrastructure networks such as switch, such as firewalls, and so on. Okay. The next item is enumeration. Enumeration concept is really near to footprinting concept, but it has a little different. Enumeration, getting information about username, password, and share folders of that. Another item is system hacking. It is very exciting part and points to any items maybe you're doing for getting control of the target system. This is the main part of hacking. Maybe you want to send the malware, you want to send the malicious link. Maybe you use hardware or any item, any techniques to achieve the target and take control of that. All of these items will teach practically. Okay, remember please that the another items is malware. Malware is the software or hardware tools for doing illegal items or trying with various targets. For example, maybe you use malware for destroy data. Maybe you use malware for stealing data. Maybe you use the malware for example, make a lot of data to make full storage, and so on. We will describe completely later. Another item is sniffing. Sniffing or eavesdropping is getting and backing up the data through the network transportation. We will discuss about how we can sniff the data and how we can prevent to sniffing and provide security data. Another item is social engineering. Previously, social engineering just was about encourage the user important information from him or her. For example, maybe you want to encourage me that I want to give you my username and password. But now the social engineering concept, social engineering category is very, very extended. And now we have some tools for making or generating fake page, we call it phishing, or maybe we have some tools for making malicious links and so on. Another exciting item is wireless security. In this part, first we will describe the Wi-Fi security items and techniques and protocols, and we will describe that how we can destroy that security items, and how we can hack the Wi-Fi, and how we can gathering any information about that. It is really exciting item you will see. The other item is attack and defense, about offensive and defensive methods. Another one is cryptography, for making data unreadable when it's transferred through the network. So if someone like hacker gets data, it will not be readable, it will not modifiable by the hacker. Another item is security architecture and design. Very important item for providing security is making secure the network in face of designing that. When when you secure the network and you perform the security and providing the security items in case of designing phase, it is really and it have very better result than when you stop and complete the configuration and setting up the network, and after that you want to secure the setting up the network, and it is really hard. So in this part we will discuss about how we can perform security items or security protocol that secure data in designing phase of each network. And the last item is cloud computing and Internet of Things, IoT or ICS. We will discuss about cloud computing and its security and its security breach or security vulnerabilities. And more important is IoT and especially industrial control systems, ICS. I really recommend you to learn this part. Also, I will produce another separated completely course about for penetration testing of ICS or SCADA systems. But in this course, in the CEH course, I will teach and I will discuss enough items about its security and its ethical hacking. That's all. Let's go to learning.